Good afternoon, everyone. This is our project. We are Team SIT Titans, and we are from Kalburgi, Karnataka. The project that we have here is grey water filtration system. Before I continue with the project, I would like to tell about why we did this. This summer we faced a huge drought season where we didn't have groundwater. Most of our teammates we faced that issue, and groundwater shortage was a biggest concern all over India over the summer, and also the freshwater demand is raising every day. So I decided to do something regarding that, and I thought that I could just speak to my friends and we can come up to a solution such that we can save about 30% of the water that is being wasted. So we realized that the wastewater that is generated, out of that 70% is purely grey water. In that 70% of the grey water, of the 100% of the grey water, there is 30% only the dirt and 70% is purely water. So we decided we can purify that grey water through our system, and let me explain how our model works. This is screening. Here all the visible debris are eliminated, and the grey water is inlet towards here, and then the water is moved over this chamber where we have fine aggregate and coarse aggregate over this chamber, where fine aggregate and coarse aggregate help in removing all the debris, and then that is moved over to the next chamber where we have got alum, where it kind of absorbs all the soap that is being generated by the grey water, and then that is moved towards the next chamber where we have got charcoal and CaCO3, where charcoal helps in removing the oil and the dirt, and CaCO3 helps to absorb the dust remained after the filtration process. And then after this we move to the next chamber, where this chamber involves purely ionization. We use electric supply where to actually heat the water about 110 to 120 degrees Celsius. After the water has reached its boiling point, we allow the water to settle down, and then we send it to the next chamber. We have it over there. That is our cooling system. Once the water is heated, we stop the electric supply and then send to the cooling system. Over the cooling system, where the water is allowed to settle and reach to the room temperature. Once it reaches to the room temperature, the water then is sent towards the normal domestic purpose used tanks, such that it get mixed with the fresh water, and it is as fresh as the normal water. So this whole model costs you somewhere around 12 to 13k, whereas in current market one grey water filtration system will cost you somewhere around 3.5 to 4 lakhs, and the maintenance of those products in the market that are available is ridiculously high than what we offer. The maintenance of the products that are in the market is somewhere around 25 to 30k every year, whereas our product costing you 12 to 13k has a maintenance of overall 6,000 every year. Thank you.